Hey, welcome back. Sastuo Burum. I just want to say thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't done it yet, please do it. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. And if you have any comments, just put it in the comment box. Also, I want to say that I want to say hi to all my friends from the East Coast, the West Coast, in the other 49 states. Also Mexico, Colombia, Brazil, Cuba, Puerto Rico, all of them. I'm sorry if I didn't mention your country, but you there. Alright? So, on the other hand, I'm gonna teach you how to do the oil change, oil life reset. It's the oil life reset in this 2016 Chevy Traverse with a 3.6 liter engine. Alright? All you gotta do is, as always, you can do it with the car running. It's running right now. And you're gonna play with these guys right here. Okay? These buttons are kind of funny. You have to press it at the same time. So this menu change. You see that? You're gonna get to that. You gotta press it like this though. Okay, you gotta press this one, but you gotta press this too. Okay, press it and you're gonna see that. Once you see that, press this guy right here. Okay, and hold it. There you go. Once you see the 100% oil life, let it go. And that's it. That's how you reset the oil life in this 2016 Chevy Traverse LT 3.6. Yiddy. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Any comments, put it in the comment box. Don't forget that I need that feedback, bruh. Alright, put it in the comment box also. And see you in the next one. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.